Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I make spinach quiche. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a pie plate and we're going to grease our pie plate with butter. And I don't know how you guys do that, but I take a piece of wax paper and wrap it around my hand so my hand doesn't get all greasy from the butter. So that's how I do it. Okay, now that our pie plate is greased or buttered, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to chop up an onion into small pieces. Okay, so when your onion is chopped up, it should look something like this. And then we're going to put a tablespoon of butter in a frying pan. And I'm going to melt that. And once that is melted, I will be right back. Okay, so the butter melted, so I dumped my onion in the pan. And we are going to cook and stir this for about 8 minutes until it's cooked. You don't have to stir it constantly, but I would definitely stir it occasionally so you get a more uniform cooking. Okay, so after about 8 minutes, it's going to be this nice golden brown color. And the next ingredient you're going to need is spinach. This bag has 8 ounces in it. Most bags of spinach are between 8 and 10 ounces, depending on the brand. Actually, that whole bag will not fit in the pan. So what we're going to have to do is, I have to do as much as I could fit, and then stir it around, and it's going to collapse as it cooks. Okay, so I added half the bag of spinach. If you can find a smaller bag, you can do that. But usually they come in bags between 8 and 10 ounces. So we're just going to constantly stir that because you don't want anything to burn, because your onion is already nice and golden brown. So just keep stirring the spinach until it continues to collapse. Okay, that looks about right. Okay, so shut off the heat on that frying pan and remove it from the hot burner to another burner. Now we're going to take 6 eggs and put them in a mixing bowl and whip them. And to this mixture, we are going to add some salt and pepper. I'm going to use some pink Himalayan salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. And I'm going to add some black pepper, about 1/8 teaspoon. Okay, if it looks a little funny, it's because I just had to change the bowl. I was using a medium bowl before, but I'm going to need a large bowl for this. So I just had to transfer it to the large bowl. So there's my salt and pepper in there. So we're just going to mix that in. And the next thing I'm going to put in is cheese. And I'm going to use shredded sharp white cheddar. And each one of these bags is 2 cups. So we're going to use 1 full bag. Okay, so I put 1 full bag and half of another. But when you look up here, see how it says 2 cups equals 8 ounces? So you're not going to be going by the weight so much as you are the actual amount. So you're going to need 3 cups of cheese is what I'm trying to say. So we're going to mix that into that egg mixture. Now you would think that that would be difficult to mix, but it actually wasn't that bad. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our spinach and onions that we've already cooked and transfer that to the bowl and mix that up. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to take this entire mixture and put it in our buttered pie plate and bake it in the oven for 40 minutes. Okay, I just took it out of the oven. Does that or does that not look delicious? So this doesn't have a crust or any flour in it or anything like that. So yeah, this is diet food, people. Welcome to the world of keto. I'm telling you, this is the greatest diet. It's a little tough in the beginning to give up sugar, but once you get it out of your system, it's all uphill all the way from there, because sugar is like a drug, and if you don't have any, once you get it out of your system, you won't miss it that much anymore. But yeah, this is my spinach quiche, and very easy to make, and I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bon appetit!